Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing the Ice Princess makeup look. I guess you can call this a tutorial because I am going to do the whole thing on camera. I was going to make a transition video on TikTok because I do makeup transitions on TikTok, and I was like,
I can film this.
Now that I have two separate cameras, I can film this start to finish and also film on my phone for TikTok. So let's get into it. I'm using a primer called Essence Poreless Primer, and please, if it focus, don't judge me because the bottle is dirty, okay? Like, everybody has dirty stuff in their makeup vanity. We don't judge over here. I'm just gonna rub that all in my face, get that up in there. I use this, or I use the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. Is it called Hydro Grip Primer? Or is that milk? I don't know, but I use the green primer from e.l.f. a lot when I'm not using this one, but I'm using this one because I don't want any pores. I want to be poreless. I want to be refreshed, very demure, very mindful. I don't know why that came to my head, but okay. Next, I use this little brow setter gel from Benefit Cosmetics, and I just fluff up my brows just a little bit. I like to cut my brows because my eyebrow hairs grow way too thick, and I don't like thick brows. Like, I used to do them all the time, but since this past year I was like,
I'm starting to look crazy.
Like, I'm starting to have an eyebrow identity crisis, and I don't need that in my life. So I'm starting to cut my brows thinner and doing thin brows because that's what I like to do. I'm taking this eyeliner brown pencil. I think this is LA Colors. The brand is LA Colors. I've had this for a while, and I always do my eyebrows with my eyeliner pencil because I feel like it's more precise and I can like handle the shaping of the brow better with an eyeliner pencil. It doesn't need to be perfect because when I go in with my concealer, it'll be perfect. And also, guys, I have a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound stuffy. I'm trying to get rid of it because I don't like being sick. I hate being sick. I'm using e.l.f.'s 16-hour camo concealer for the shaping of my brows, and I've been doing this since 2016. And it comes out good every single time. Like, I just like doing my eyebrows like this. Like, I just like it. Just like it. I just like it. I like to stem a lot, and you'll probably catch me like just singing what I just said in more videos, but that's what I usually do. Like, I just stem 24/7 all day, every day of the week, 24/7 all day, every day of the week, 24/7. Like, I don't know. But anyways, we're just gonna carve out our brow, make it look real nice. Anyways, we're just carving out our brow, and we're gonna blend this just a little bit, just a tad, just a smidge. Just gonna blend that out. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said, because you build until it's perfect. So do not worry if it's not looking the way you want it to look, because eventually it will, you know. Have some faith in yourself. Gotta have faith. Gotta have faith. My all-time favorite concealer is the Born This Way. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I don't even know if y'all can. It's called Born This Way Ethereal Light by Too Faced. I've been using this concealer non-stop. Like, this might be my all-time favorite concealer because it's just too good. Like, I apply it and it looks just like my skin, and that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be ethereal. I love it. 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 I want a little bit of light effect, like the I'm cold effect. So I'm gonna do that. Let that marinate for a little bit. Okay. Now I'm taking that same sponge, and I am going to blend it out. And I'm a heavy hitter. Like, you may think that I'm like beating my face, but I'm not. I am just very heavy-handed, and I take my blending very seriously. So don't think I'm hitting myself, because I'm not gonna give myself a concussion. So don't worry about me. But yeah, look at that finish. Look at that finish. Beautiful. Amazing. Spectacular.
Sensational.
Now that we did all of that, I am going to take this shade 180 from Thread Beauty Face It. I use it as, it's like a foundation, but I use this as a contour stick. 160 is my shade in Thread Beauty, but I use 180 so I can contour. Or I use Fenty's contour stick. Contour that out here. Now I'm gonna blend this out, and blending it upwards in quick, fast strokes, because I think it's just better that way. I think that's just how you get a seamless blend. I can't really see on this side. Hopefully it's blending nice, because I can't see. And then did my nose. Alrighty, now that we got that out the way, we're gonna use some powder. Da, 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 da. So I'm gonna use a little bit of powder. And we're just gonna put it just like that, just like that. It might look a little crazy right now, but we have to let it set. We have to let it bake. Oh my god, that coach good. Oh my god, that coach good. Mama, that really reminded me of that video of them people singing that song. Hopefully I am doing a good job on the left side of my face, because I cannot see. I'm legally blind. So let that bake. Let that bake away. My bad, oopsies. Now we are going to head into the star of the show, the eyeshadow. The current palette that I'm like insanely in love with is Meredith Duxbury's palette, and she has like all of these freaking shades. Like, bruh, it was, I don't even know how much it cost on the website, but it was pretty cheap. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in for something brown, I guess. So I think I'm going to choose this brown right here. I'm just gonna go to work. Gonna kind of make it kind of like a U shape, because I've been doing like the little wing like eyeshadow looks lately, and I just want something different. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna do it like that. And I always do my right better than my left. Like, I don't know why, but I just can't do my left as good as my right. So Don't come for me in the comments saying, oh, she can't do it, she can't blah, blah, blah. Yes, I can. I'm just inexperienced on my left side, honey. But we're gonna use a darker brown to go in depth. I always say depth, like Johnny Depp, but it's supposed to be in depth, like deaf. But we're going in with that darker brown up in that crease, in that orbital area. I think it's called orbital bone. I don't know. I took anatomy and physiology like 3 semesters ago. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, now we're going in with a black. We're going in with the black. So I'll show you guys what I use, just in case you have this palette and you like, what do I do with this? So I use this brown right here, Espresso Martini, and then I use this brown, Speak Easy. And now I'm going to use this black, Call Me a Car. Call Me a Car. I'm really loving this so far. This is really good. And this brush is really good. Like, I got this blending brush from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. It came as a set, but I'm just using one brush from Blend Bunny, and oh my gosh, it is really good. Like, really good. Now I'm going to be using a lighter color to give it that frosty kind of look. So I think what I'm going to do is use Soho, because it's kind of tan-ish. It's like a tannish color. It's not white, but I think I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to transition into white on the inner corners, so I can have that little frosty look on the inside. Oh yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna do it for the same other side. Okay, now I'm using this white. It's called Crumpet, and I'm now gonna put it on the inner corner. Now I'm just going to try to buff out my edges. Just give it a good buff. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. My right eye is popping. My left eye, baby, what are you doing? Like, we don't know what you're doing. I need to take this setting powder off. We love a good bake. I usually don't use setting powder because I feel like I don't know how to use it half the time, but I'm learning, you know. I'm adapting. Okay, now for a blush, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place Barbie Rose. Please, for the love of Jesus, you see all that in there? Do you see all of that? Do you see all of that pigment? All of that pigment in there. I don't know if you see it, but use a tiny drop. Like that. Cause Lord Jesus, it is pigmented. And now I'm just gonna, you know, just fluff it out and put some, just a little bit on my nose to kind of get that cold burr look. If you really feel, so maybe fall in love with you, people. So now we got our face like, you know, how we want it. Now we're going to add some glitter. I need to find some glitter. I'm using this Glam Light Milk Chocolate Palette Kisses, and I'm going to use this shimmery glitter right here. I'm going to pack it onto the white. Look at that. Perfect.
Look down, pee. Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry.
So we got the eyeliner done, we got the frostiness done. For the highlighter, I'm gonna go right back into this palette and I'm going to choose this glitter color that I use for my eyes. Unpopular opinion, you can use eyeshadow as highlighter. Like if you have a glitter shadow, you can use that as highlighter. Glide that along here. Get that frosty glow on. I'm gonna put some on my nose here too as well. And put it on my cupid's bow. Now that that's done, the only thing that I need to do now is my lip color. So I'm just going to kind of use this eyeliner that I use for my eyes and I'm gonna outline my lips. I love this pink e.l.f. lip lacquer lip gloss. And I'm just gonna fill it in. I'm gonna use this glitter gloss from Glamlight. It's Hershey's Kisses collab with almond color. I know it's not really gonna resonate with my eyes, but it's glitter. I am done, guys. Oh, let me go get my hat. Okay, now it is an Icy Girl makeup look with the hat applied. I love this hat so much. I wear it every single winter. Every single winter. But yeah, that is my Icy Girl makeup look, Ice Princess makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am going to try to upload multiple days this month. Low-key, I want to upload every single day this month, but I know that's not going to be realistic, so I can promise to upload multiple days this month. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Peace.